Good morning, children. Welcome to our science class. Children, in last class we learned story of Kittu. Isn't it, children? From this story, what do you understand? We should kind to animals. We should kind to animals. We should provide food, water, and protect them. Children, instead of protecting animals and birds, some naughty children breaks birds' eggs, disturb its nest, plucking wings of butterflies and dragonflies, and throw stones at stray dogs. Children, is this correct? No, this is wrong. If somebody poking, pinching, beating you, how do you feel, children? You will get pain, isn't it? In the same way, just like us, they also feel pain. Such things should not be done. Okay, children, such things should not be done. Many animals live in our surroundings, isn't it? These we must protect these animals. We should allow them to live in their peace. Children, okay? So, our next topic, insects. An insect is a small animal with 6 legs. Okay, children? An insect is a small animal with 6 legs. Here we have some examples for the insects. Okay, children? Honeybee, wasp, ladybird, bug, fly, housefly, ant, mosquito, dragonfly, butterfly, clerk, grasshopper, bumblebee. Children, this is bumblebee. Okay, children, these are some examples of insects. Okay, children, once again I am telling the animals which are having 6 legs. Those animals are called insects. Okay, children. Children, here we have a small conversation. Okay, Raju's grandfather got cold and fever. He was taken to doctor and doctor said it is malaria. Then Raju asked doctor why this, how this malaria caused. Then doctor replied that malaria was caused by mosquito bite. Okay, malaria was caused by mosquito bite. Children, look at the picture. Yeah, look at the picture. Have you seen this anywhere? Yes, isn't it, children? This is mosquito net. This is mosquito coil. And these are mosquito repellents, isn't it, children? So, what precautions we should be taken to avoid the mosquito bites? Generally, we use these only. Okay. To avoid mosquitoes bites, people uses mosquito coils, mosquito nets, mosquito repellents. Okay, children. Some people use mosquito coils and mosquito repellents to get rid of mosquito bites. But these are injurious to health. Okay, children. Instead of using mosquito coils and mosquito repellents, we can use mosquito nets to prevent mosquito bites. Okay, children. Which is the best way to use to prevent mosquito bites? Using mosquito nets. Okay, children? Children, what precautions should be taken to control the growth of mosquitoes? What precautions should be taken to control the growth of mosquitoes? To control the growth of mosquitoes, we use kerosene marathon. Children, generally, mosquitoes grows in stagnant water. We should see that water is not stagnant in our surroundings. We should spray insecticides like kerosene and marathon in stagnant water to kill mosquitoes. Okay, children? To control the growth of mosquitoes and house flies, we should see that water is not stagnant in our surroundings. Throw the garbage in the dustbins. Spray kerosene or marathon on stagnant water. Okay, children, we should always keep our surroundings clean. Okay, children? Children, we'll meet in next class. Take care.